What's wrong? Caden, what's wrong? You want to go backwards? What's the deal, buddy? We're having some post-nap emotions. So much so that I'm starting to wonder if maybe he needs to go back to sleep. Oh, don't you start. Caden, I don't know if all that stuff's going to fit on your truck. Does all that fit on your truck? Okay, there's Chaucer. Okay, now, okay, Chaucer's going to hold a passy. Oh, and a graham cracker. Okay, and then Blanky. Where are you going to sit? Maybe you should get on first and then put Chaucer on. Okay, now Passy. Now Chaucer. Good job. Okay, now you sit down. Maybe 3 Passies is a little excessive. It's a truck, not an airplane. Can Mommy help you at all? There you go. All right. Victory. You got it? Okay. Now you're set. Now the passes are on the front of the truck. Oh. Roadkill. That's right. Are you all settled? What's Reiki doing? Oh, he's just chilling. Oh, are you done? Now what's happening? Oh, buddy. Oh, the graham cracker didn't make it. I see. This doesn't have cup holders for your graham crackers, does it? Honey, what are you trying to do? Oh, did you want that to go into the kitchen? Get on there, Chaucer. Oh, I see. Chaucer wants to ride it. Here, let me help. Chaucer looks like he's been drinking. No matter where you put that berry, he always looks like a crime victim. Caden, are you having fun? Not really sure what's happening. Alright, well, we made it to the kitchen. Maybe that's just all the progress we need to make today.